Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby K. Welcome back to the Rotator Club. Today I want to show you a little tool we have in here for building splash pages that you can easily share with your downline. Okay, if you go in the back office to the Rotator Club, go to the Downline Builder tab, you're going to see a little tool called Splash Wizard. Okay, this is $10 a month, right? So if you think about it, you got all-in-one profits is $10, Splash Wizard is $10. You got everything you need, okay, to build a nice business online. I'm recommending this tool just for our team build because it's easy to share the pages with your downline. Some guys have trouble building pages, and the pay plan is good. It's inexpensive. It's very handy. Let me show you what it looks like. Let's go to the website. This is my back office in Splash Wizard. Let me show you what a couple of pages. It takes you when you first join, it'll take you about 10 minutes to make a page. And then when you get, after you make a couple, it takes minutes literally to make a page in this thing. Let me show you a couple of mine look like here. This is one I made for Christmas. See right here, view, you press view and it shows you the page. Let me stop this video. I have a bunch of little videos that I made that you can use on the pages here if you want, if you don't have anything to use and you want to put a video. You don't have to use them for Splash Wizard. You can use them on any page if you're in our team. I don't mind if you use them, you know what I mean? But I have like 5 of them in my YouTube channel that I made for splash pages. But anyway, this is a nice little page. I sent this out about 2 weeks before Christmas. I was using this. Now you're going to notice here, this says share with nobody because I don't want anybody using it now. It's after Christmas. But if I wanted to share this page, I would just click here, share with my referrals. See, it says my referrals there. Now, whoever signs up under me will automatically get this page. I have most of the rest of them are set to share. Here's one of my favorite pages too. See, it says share with my referrals. Let's take a look at it. I'm going to stop the video. Okay, you can set the video to play automatically or that they press the button. I like to put it on the page small. I like the way it looks because people aren't used to seeing a little video like that. And then if they want to see it better, they can just press larger. Well, you could just you could set it to larger and they can make it smaller if they want, I like the way it looks larger too, though. Or maybe I'll change it to that. But this page has been converting well. It's a nice looking page. I like pages with cars. You see my picture here. You can brand the pages to yourself. You can add your picture if you want. Everything is changeable. When someone signs up under you in Splash Wizard, they're automatically going to get your pages, but they still have to edit them to their links. That's the only thing, guys. So you just press edit, and it's going to bring you to this page. You can change the sales copy, right? You can change the video, right? See, I have it on autoplay, frame off, size small. You can change that to large. I'm going to leave it large for a little bit, see how it works. If it, just messing around. I'm doing a lot of testing. I have 3 pages that I made inside of a Rotator link, and I've been testing them to see which one's doing the best. And right now, you want to see which one's doing the best? Let me show you. This is the first page I made, actually, when I joined this. Actually, I got this page from my sponsor, and I just changed the links and stuff, and it's been working better than the other ones for some reason. I think it's because of the beautiful background. They got a couple hundred backgrounds to choose from. I mean, for $10, guys, there's a lot of value here, man. You'll get your money back too, because it's only 2 people, and you got the tool for free, So look at this beautiful background. This page has been converting the best. I don't have my picture on it. It says show me the plan. You can change all this. You can make your own page too. I mean, you can be so creative in here with all the backgrounds. Let's take a look at some of the backgrounds. Let me see. Whoops. Let me go back to splash pages. I just joined this myself, so I'm still learning, Oh, you got to go to edit. Then you see the backgrounds. Oh, that's another page I made. Warning, don't go any further if you like your job. This guy goes in, you probably saw this video. He's quitting his job. I should have quit my job like that when I quit. I just left. But let's see, where's the background? Oh, these are the backgrounds. See, work from home, textures, currency, nature, automobiles, all different. And then, they're constantly changing, upgrading. I already made a page with this one. I made a page with this one. This is a nice one. This is a nice background. Let me see if I can find that one. But you get the idea. Mountains, nice skies, tropical. Tropical pages are nice. Beautiful background. So look at that background. I like that. Peeking out through the cave. It's hot, man. You get the idea, man. Get in here. You can join this for free and look around. I mean, you don't have to pay right away. You can come in here and you can even build a page for free. They're just deleted after 7 days. If you don't pay in 7 days, they delete the page. But you can make a page and just test it out. Let me go back home. Let me see if I can find that other page. I got them all set to share, all the ones that I really like. You could delete them too in 2 seconds. So, don't be, if you're worried that you're going to get a bunch of pages, if you don't like the pages, you just delete them, man. I don't know if this is it. Well, that's another page, so it's a nice page. I made this one without a video. I put my picture, let's see, this one? Nope. But these are all quick pages I made. You see, I have them shared with my referrals, all of them. So you can just take the ones you like and just delete the rest, or, It's so easy to make a page. You don't even really need it. Oh, I think it's Rotator. I forget now. I don't even use all these pages. When I first got in here, I started making pages, just, you'll do the same thing, believe me. But look at that page. That's a nice looking page, too. I like that background. I like the colors. Anyway, guys, that's Splash Wizard. It's in the back of Total Team Build. If you don't know what about our team build, guys, we only promote for our downline. Okay? So we call it the Rotator Club. It's the AIOP Rotator Club, guys. If you want to get the information, I'll put a link under here for one of these capture pages. You can opt in and get into our get on my newsletter, or you could just sign up, man. We're always looking for more people. If you sign up under me, you'll be in my Rotator. My link's not even in there. I just sign up people for downline. Once you see the videos in there, you'll understand why my link's not even in the Rotator, if you know how AIOP works. Okay, guys, but this is Splash Wizard, Bobby K. Okay, the AIOP Rotator Club, guys. See you inside. Our link is for the Facebook group is in there too, guys. So check us out on Facebook group. If you got any questions, you can shoot me an email. You can friend me on Facebook through the Facebook group. All right, guys, I'll see you inside. Thanks, man.